of screens and the echo of keys. Someone pulls up a chair and simply says, "You good." You don't need to be allowed to lead. You just make it safe for me to breathe. When I speak my doubt, don't miss the mark. You don't turn away, you just start to help me find my rhythm again. You trust my role, I trust your hands. It's not just what you do, it's how you let others rise somehow. There's no scoreboard, there's no race, but when you're near, it's a braver place. The weight is shared, the walls dissolve, and suddenly we're more involved. We work like this, shoulder to shoulder, even on days when the air feels colder. I'd have folded, but you said let's try. So I stood again with clearer eyes. Not just a team, this feels like trust, built on kindness, more than just dust. And when we rise, it's not by luck. We grow because we show up. You don't chase spotlight, don't need credit, but your quiet strength, I won't forget it. You give space when I'm unsure, then show me I'm not weak for needing more. And when goals look too high to climb, you don't say you should, you say we'll try. It's not just skill, it's belief that burns, a light we hand each other in turns. Some days the pressure fills the air, but I look beside me, you're still there. We laugh, we lean, we lift, we mend. In this kind of place you don't pretend, you just belong. We work like this, with hearts aligned, not afraid to fall or speak our minds. Not perfect people, but perfectly near. We make it better year by year. So here's to the ones who make us bold, who never let the silence grow cold. This isn't just a job we list, we're living proof we work like this. We work like this, not just for now, but for the